Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about the difference in honeybees, wasps, hornets, flies, really any flying insect. There are very few flying insects that you really need to be afraid of. A few of the wasps and hornets can be aggressive in their behavior. Yellow jackets in particular, if you've run over a yellow jacket's nest with a lawnmower or a weed eater or something, then you've probably experienced the wrath of yellow jackets and how aggressive they can be. But in general, most of these flying insects are not interested in stinging you. They're just out doing their job, collecting food and that sort of thing. And especially for honeybees, they are not aggressive at all when they're out flying around. Honeybees are only aggressive, and it's not aggressive, they're defensive if something happens to their hive. So if someone hits a hive or you stand right in front of the bee or whatever, then you might, they might get defensive. And then quite often, I mentioned flies and hoverfly, identifying different species of bees and hornets, wasps, can be challenging. So there are a lot of helps out there on the internet where you can use characteristics of these to identify which is which, if you're interested in that. But honeybees in particular, they're pretty easy to identify and distinguish from the others once you've practiced a little bit. But bottom line is, you don't need to be afraid of the stinging insects, and help take care of them instead.